Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 1, buckle up, we will learn about prepositions of possession. So, open up page number 15 and let's get started. On this page, you can see different pictures given. Let's see what they are telling us. Let's look at the first picture. And the man is saying that I liked the car with red wheels. Which car did he like? Yes, the car with red wheels. Now let's look at the second one. My father has a bike with a red seat. Now let's look at the third one. I saw a bike without chains. What did he see without chains? Yes, a bike. A bike without chains. Now, let's look at the last picture. Our garden has a tree without flowers. What does their garden have? A tree without flowers. Now, did you see the highlighted words with and without in the text above? They are prepositions of possession. Prepositions of possession are used to show possession of something, which means that they are used to show something belonging to a person, animal, or thing. For example, in the second picture, it was written that my father has a bike with a red seat. So, a red seat here belongs to a bike and it is connected with the preposition of possession with. Now, let's do an activity. Make more sentences using prepositions of possession. And if you have any difficulty, ask someone in your family for help. Write these sentences on a loose sheet.